Okay, here we have our two-story windows. Here we go. Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. So I just got this water jet cleaning solution. As you can see, it's kind of a wand that you connect to your ordinary garden hose. And as they say, turn your ordinary hose into a Hing power washer. Okay, so yeah, you connect it to your garden hose and you should be able to get like a fan spray, kind of a power jet spray for reaching two-story windows. So anyway, that's the concept behind this. Looks like we got a glove here as well, kind of a microfiber glove for washing and drying. So I guess that's a little extra bonus. Let's see what we have here. Package was kind of tattered when I got it. Now I didn't get this in the mail. I got this at a bin. So we're going to hope that everything is here. Then again, I don't know what everything will be. And as you can see, there's no instructions. Here's the wand. So this will connect to our garden hose, and I believe it is a 3/4 inch, I believe. Kind of I think that's the standard garden hose. I could be mistaken, but so yeah, ordinary garden hose will connect here. We've got this gooseneck extension. Here we have another, looks like extension. Have a nozzle, adjustable nozzle. O-ring is in there. We have a tip, looks like a fan tip. We have this plastic, looks like a quick connect, but I don't see the other part of it. So this would connect to, I guess, here. And then if you have a quick connect on your hose, then you could just connect that using the quick connect from your garden hose, because that's all I have. I don't have the quick connect part to put on the garden hose. Let's see, we've got another tip. Got another tip that looks like a jet tip. Got the O-ring, and we've got an adapter or a coupling, I guess. And there are two O-rings. Maybe there's just an extra one here that fell in there. So that will connect these together, I'm guessing, for an extension. So that's what we've got. This has a on-off, as you see here. This right here is for putting your extra tip when you're not using it. Like this, you can just screw that on there and you'll kind of have it and know where it's at. Pretty cool. Made from pretty lightweight. This is pretty heavy here. This is rubber, ergonomic, I think. Little thumb placed there. So yeah, I like this. I think it feels pretty good. Now the extensions are really pretty light. I don't know how long they will last, but very lightweight. This gooseneck, super lightweight. Wouldn't want to bend this too many times. I'm thinking that if I do, I'll probably snap it. So gotta be careful about that. These fittings are solid brass, so it's ideal. And this is as well. That's seems to be pretty well made. So we're going to try this out today for the first time ever, for me anyway, and see what we can use it on around the house. All right, let's turn it on. Don't want to spray those. So. Yeah, not very special. And we could fan it out a little bit. We gotta get a little stronger, but yeah, there's our fan. So you get to water a garden maybe. All right, let's try a different tip. Before changing tips, let's put this in the off position. Okay, we're going to go for this fan tip. Okay, here we go. A little stronger. I wouldn't say that's very special either. Alright, it is comfortable to hold, but not getting a lot of spray power even with the fan tip. Alright, now let's try the jet tip. All right, jet tip. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, that's definitely 2 stories. Possibly doing some pretty nice window cleaning. Don't know if you'll be able to see all that. I'll try to show you on some windows. Now, you might be able to clean some concrete or driveways with this. Let's check that out. Let's do that right now. That's really not too bad. It's real jet stream, so it would take a long time. To clean a lot, but it definitely does have enough pressure, you know, to do what we're doing here. That's pretty impressive. Check that out. All right, let's go over to one of these windows, 2-story windows. Okay, here we have our 2-story windows. Here we go. I mean, it's good for a mild cleaning. It definitely will get up there and knock off spider webs, maybe some wasp nests, that kind of thing. Not super high pressure, but then again, you know, you need to be careful when you're washing around windows anyway. You get the soffit. So yeah, it's not too bad really. Didn't, you know, get the brickwork. You're not going to be blasting the mortar out. But it's going to be a slow process for the brick. Alright, so yeah, it does work for 2-story windows. Getting ready to put the extensions on. And I just wanted to point out, no leaking whatsoever. Water is still, you know, on. So I'm liking that a lot. O-rings holding up very well. Gaskets, etc. Put the adapter or the coupling on. Make sure that that O-ring is in there. Yeah, we'll put this one on. And then we're going to put the gooseneck on. Does it have an O-ring? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, gooseneck going on. All right, we're going to put the regular standard nozzle on for this. Yeah, I'm going to turn the water on. I need to find the stream that I want to use. I'm thinking right there. And we're going to see if we can clean our gutters. So I'll be moving the gooseneck into that position. And let's see if those gutters have anything in them, any leaves or pine straw. So that's pretty cool. That's probably the best feature. Windows wasn't bad either. We have no leaking with the extensions on here. So I guess that's going to be it for this video. That is the water jet cleaning solution. Turn your ordinary hose into a Hing power washer. I'm satisfied with it. I think it's worth the money. Thanks for watching. Hope it's been helpful. Take care.